哦，不是啊，有一个扣子死掉了，不是吗？有一个教练死掉了啊。你没有看 email 吗？Go Blizzard! I just know you're right with the packets. 这是绝对的时光吗？Leo, first 10 minutes. Who's this? I know. Let's go, Leaves. 所以他撞跟 Lucas 就会分开了，因为队长在那里。Let's go, Blizzard. 说实话，基本上感觉。
Oh, very nice.
不管你踢得多好，你都不能。
Right. I thought I was going to grow a tail. I thought your witchcraft happening.
所以最后 basket 是在去错地方吗？没有，他在，我都不把那个信息。Just went to the 那个indoor。哦。今天是全来踢这都是我们是2个后卫吗？
I don't know when that will be, but whenever we get there. Nice!
Let's go, Lucas. That's okay. Hey, keep it going. Come on. Leo, get them going.
Okay, we're not going to talk about that right now. Okay? I'm focused on this game.
Let's go.
The referee 太久了。这是 Leo。
Come on, let's go! Yes!
Finish.
Oh, yes!
Go, Levi. Go, Blizzard. Lucas, great ball, job, guys. Great ball. Leo, Levi, well done. Keep that going. Well said, John. Hey, well done. Now, push now, push.
谁进的？6一般还是很有分数。
Do it.
那2球都太强了。还是
Good, John.
Yeah. Come on! Yeah, that's a long game. Yes. Great. And then once it was finished, she was like, "We're supposed to go back." It was like pitch black. So we. Good. What did she say, dude? I'm like,
Wow.
And then she kept.
Save.
可以，我看人以为不会踢呢。我的妈！而且还是撞啊！你架不住他们撞。Go wide, Sam. Well done.
Levi, go high. Relax.
Good pass. Lots of openings. Yep.
John, sit in the midfield.
Try it. Oh, yeah.
Nice try.
Good job. Now then.
Yeah. And it Paul and Tally was still sleeping.
Yeah.
And we were like full on laughing at her. And then like and then I was like, I grabbed the Cova, turned on it to like full brightness so I don't wake Tally.
Yeah.
And then I walked towards it and figured
Oh,
out
nice try.
that she stepped on a burrito. And it was really funny. And then I went to the bathroom.
Laura didn't recognize
A good pass. Nice. Oh, well done, Leo. Good
I
try.
didn't really recognize her either until I saw that they were both in the garage. And so I was like, oh, hi. Yeah, I kind of do. I'm like, hey, those two. Oh, nice try.
Leo, nice try, Sam.
Whoa.
Well done, Leo.
That sounds fun. It sounds fun. Yeah, 2 grand over. Was it really fun?
Yeah, it was really fun. And we played. It was like actually way funner than having like one person over because like when you have one person over,
Leo, well done.
Just hang out them, do things, or the other person it's like really fun.
Yeah.
Let's go, boys.
And we wrestled on that.
Sam 没有上。也只上了。哇，我 Lucas 上了。Oh, sorry. Grayson 在这边。几号？Sorry, he's striking.
Like, it's like this. Yes.
对，他丢了的话，你儿子补。如果他不传的话，Grayson 应该压吧。只有 Grayson 应该到前面去。
And both 8 break both 4 ribs, stagnant,
Fast game. Well done, mate.
Oh, good try.
Well done, mate.
Well done.
Really good. Really good.
Yes.
My God, I did it!
Back off.
Oh, that's a good
Nice, Lucas. Shoot it!
No, he's a striker usually. But this is a great facility, though.
没有到退回去。他们现在光还打不过你们。Good job, Bowen. Well, Pat. Well done. Mark up. 很明显啊。
Take it up, Lucas. Take it up.
带了这个孩子。
Go.
Nice.
Good shot. Good shot, Bowen.
Nice, Lucas. Nice. Come on, guys.
Good job, Howard. Yeah.
Much big.
It's their ball. Mark up, yep. Mark up.
Much big.
Well done, Bowen.
We're good.
Nice, solid. Oh. It's alright, it's alright. Oh.
Hey, that's okay. Hey, that's okay. Keep going. Come on.
Putain, je vais pas.
Let's go, guys.
They said the kicking is.
Let's go. Hey, come on. Keep it. Good.
We'll see.
We'll sit in that midfield. There it is.
Another one.
On your back, Sam, on your back, Samuel.
Good job, Marcel.
Shoot it!
Nice. Okay, good defending.
Oh, corner. 手举的那么不清不楚的。Get the ball for him.
Leo, switch on.
Look at Max Brody, look at Max. Look at the back to us.
That's the well done, Eva. Anna! Levi, great work. Leo, take that. Leo.
我们这个
take that.
我们那个规则没有犯规，凭啥没有犯规？他这也没有犯规，他掉了
Leo,
drop
take
ball，
that. You get
，Come
that.
on, Raiders, let's get in there.
掉了个 drop ball。
I don't know. I was gonna look.
Good try. Hey, good try. Well done. Come on. Nice.
Good, Levi, let's go, buddy.
Come on, guys. That's all right.
先做好，他会有很多机会的，很好。然后左脚呢，他有，哟。
Good try.
Nice try, bud.
Samuel, hey, well done, mate, well done. Pass that, John, great stuff on that, keep it high. Leo, have a look,
Push up.
Leo, have a look.
Pass it.
Pressure.
快点传。他们球不应该这样丢我儿子。
Lots of heart.
是6个，他只要有一个就大家全看到，这边太多各种。
Help him now.
Southwest United, I'm gonna guess.
Get it, go get that, Leo, go get that.
我们没有弯吗？还是上来的。
Oh, is it?
Take that, Leo, take it.
Oh, that would be fun. Really go to play in the pool for that.
Nice, Samuel. Nice. 不要给了，不要给了。哦。太紧了，太紧了。这一套阵容有一点前面不够那个危险在这边。然后呢？对啊，然后他把我儿子顶上去了。不好，就是被叫下来。
Well done, boy. Well, that's solid, that's solid.
Take it over.
Good job, Owen.
Well done.
Nice! Oh, good pass!
Help out, help out.
Good fight, Bastion. Well done, mate. Great ball.
Come on, Musa. Yes. Good job, mate.
Nice!
Come on, Musa.
Oh!
Well done.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Что ты там остришь, брат?
Come on, Bowen, you.
Yok ya, Sidi.
Come on, help out. Bowen. Get up.
Nice, Lucas. Go, 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 go.
Ja, 放过来了，那么随时拿到边上的。
Nice!
Good job, guys.
Well done.
Get up there, Bowen. To the side, side.
Go wide.
Way to go, Owen. Good job.
Good.
Oh. Right.
哎，6打7的哦，
Well done, keep going.
不是6打6
Watch him put it in the middle there, yeah.
场上6个。
Fitta male che ti
In the middle.
Chef.
Come on, Bowen.
Well done, Lucas.
Good defense. Body shots.
Want to see my Pepsi others? That's terrible. You're still young, unlike Evelyn.
Go on, Chris.
Come on! Come on, Blizzards! It's physical up there. Wasn't 63 the kid that you injured? The big guy. Remember that kid that you crashed into that one time? Yeah. Kind of looked like that kid.
Well done. That's it. Yeah, well done, buddy.
Oh, that's
Başkayım.
It looks like it.
Şko, şko.
No, I think it's over his pants.
Oh, funny. Great pass. Push up, Owen. Stop standing there. Push up, Owen. Mark somebody.
Ayotya.
Mark up. Come on. Yeah, come on. Don't.
Bir tatlıveşi.
Good job, Owen. There you go. Way to go. In the middle. Bowen, mark the middle. 没事了。整天被这些假动作骗。我觉得他踢的比我们节奏都快。对啊，我们主要是体力踢不了那么快。我觉得我们这特别慢。我看我们那个就是他们录像录的那个什么周末的那个什么那些，我就感觉大家都在走路，腰直直的在踩。
Leo, get in there. Leo, get in there. No.
Nice job, nice try.
Hey, Samuel, great work. Hey, keep the pressure on, Leo. Leo, keep that pressure on. Keep the pressure on. Keep it on. And again, and again. And again, Leo. That's it.
They also hosted.
That's it. That's it. Finish.
Again!
That's good. Parsa, great play, Parsa. Nice, guys. Parsa, great play, mate. Well done. Look at that 68. Leo, keep it in there. Leo, keep the pressure on. Look at the John behind you.
什么呀？不停的吹。对啊。你要 what happened just come on do it 就是吹完了就在那站着不动。
Maybe they're instituting the dribbling rule as opposed to the huck it as hard as you can.
Leo.
I think maybe they're doing the dribbling rule.
John.
Oh, it looks like
have
he's
a
going
look.
to crush it again.
Sit there, that's it, sit there. Now Leo, push back. There we go.
Win it.
That's alright.
Nice, Sam.
Now keep that.
Get one back.
That's the ball.